right, so I hear barn find videos are all the rage. So this is mine. Let's see if we can find one. Oh, look at her. Beautiful in her natural habitat. I present to you my barn find. All right, what's in this thing? That's actually not too shabby. A lot of trash. All right, where's some lights? Oh. From underneath and you had to go to both sides.
What is that thing touching me? Hope you have that on video.
Yep. All that's left down here is these things.
Yeah. Did you want to mess with upstairs at all?
Let's see what it looks like. This is
Shit.
feces. There's a lot of feces here. No. This is later.
Okay.
But look at this, guys. That's clean.
Sure.
All that stuff we're keeping. I gotta blow it. Just need to get rid of that and we're done. Well, it's not done, but it's a start. We're keeping the table saw because it's one of those old solid metal ones. Bumper, stainless steel top, that should be useful. But all the junk is gone. Next we'll blow it clean. So this barn has sat unused on my family's property for the last 25 years. I actually helped to build it when I was in high school. I figured it'd be a nice spot for a base of operations for future Skippy Rock videos. It needs some work. The right side or left side barn door doesn't move, and there's a small roof leak. The entire thing needs to be Clorox. But after this initial cleaning and clearing out of junk, it's clear this place has great potential. But if you guys like what we're doing with the channel, please like and subscribe. And any comment telling us what we're doing right or what we're doing wrong would be greatly appreciated. But we got a lot of plans for future videos. We're going to finish working on this barn, getting it to be a nice place so I can keep the disco there. Also, we got a couple of go-kart builds we have planned and just some other random projects we're doing. So stick around.